My name is Peter Nan, and I am a finance major at Georgia State.
Hey everybody, today I'll be presenting to you guys how to perform an Excel function called macros. To begin, you would go to your ribbon and click on the View tab right here at the top, and then you'll see View Macros and Record Macros at the right. We will be using Record Macros. Our first objective is to copy the data in this box right here in the matrix and paste it all the way down to the box below using the Excel function macros. We'll begin by clicking on Record Macros, name it Copy 1, place it in this workbook, and give it a short key of Control Shift Z. And we'll describe it as copy and transfer cells. Now that we click OK, the macro is now recording, and be careful of what you do because everything you do now that the macro is recording, it'll record. So now, to do objective 1, you'll copy the matrix right here, copy it, right click, press copy, and then highlight the second box where you want to place it, right click it, and paste it, and click outside the box and stop the macros. And now objective 1 is complete. Our next objective is to take the yellow cells right here and move it counterclockwise. And also, at the same time, we want to make sure the blue cells are going clockwise. To do so, we'll right click on the cells and there'll be option to insert and delete. For insert, you'll have the option to shift the cell right or down. But if you choose delete, it'll give you the option to move the cells to left or up when you right click it. To begin, we'll record macros, call it move cells clockwise and counterclockwise. It's a long title, and we'll name it Shift Y, and name it Move Blue and Yellow Cells. And click OK. Now you click OK. Now the macro is recording. So first we want to move the yellow cells counterclockwise. We'll begin by right-clicking on the G, insert it, move it to the right. Right-click on A to bring it down, so we would want to insert it down. Move this row to the left, delete it, shift the cells to the left, bring this row up, bring this column up, so we want to delete it up. Now we will bring this equal sign to where the 5 is, so we would cut the cell, which will copy it, and to bring this 5 down, so we can place the equal sign there, we would insert cut cell and bring shift cell down. Now we have completed that part of the yellow cell to be moved counterclockwise. So the next one is move the blue cells clockwise in this direction, clockwise. We'll begin by going to the I cell right here at the top right here, and move it right, so we would insert it, shift cell right, bring this column up, so we want to delete it up, and then bring this G down, so we would insert it down, and move this question mark to where the 1 is, so cut it, take it to the 1, insert cut cell, bring it down, and so in order to put this forward to the left of the 3, we would have to insert this row to the right, and then cut the 4, take it to the 3, because that's where we want to put it to the left 3, so we would have to shift the whole row to the right again. And now all we have to do is clean up this matrix in order to finish this objective. So you would do so by deleting and shifting these 2 cells to the left right here. To bring this 1 cell up by deleting it up, and shift these cells to the left. Now we have successfully done objective 2 because now the yellow cells move counterclockwise and the blue cells move clockwise. And objective 2 is successfully done. And also remember to click on stop recording for your macro to be done. Our next objective is to perform objective 2's macros in order to see if we have successfully moved the yellow cell counterclockwise and the blue cell clockwise. Remember, objective 2 macro short key was Control Shift Y. Let's do it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, the blue cells within the matrix are moving clockwise, and the yellow cells outside the matrix are moving counterclockwise. We have successfully done objective 3. To learn more information about macros, All Georgia State students have a free subscription to lynda.com to learn more about Excel macros as well as other Excel functions. Thank you.
Why did the band ask the chicken to come play with them? Because the chicken has drumsticks. Ha 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 ha!